Welcome to page 3 of Excel packet number 3. On this page, we're going to complete a sprint activity. Let's take a closer look at this sprint. You've been given a group of problems that you need to complete within a minute's time. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Remember, in each case, you're going to be distributing the value you've been given to each of the terms inside the parenthesis. Get yourself ready with a pencil or pen, and when I say go, complete the problems you've been given. I'll be timing you. Do not turn off your video. Ready, set, begin. You have 30 more seconds. $15 more seconds. And stop. Do not do any more problems. Hopefully you made it through all of them. Let's correct the ones you were able to complete. You should have gotten 6x plus 2, give yourself a C. 12x plus 24, give yourself a C. 14x minus 21, give yourself a C or a star, whatever you prefer. The fourth one, 10x minus 15. Negative 4x plus 20. 15x minus 6. Negative 12x plus 4. Negative 25 minus 30x. Negative 6x minus 15. And finally, negative 12x plus 20. Make sure you correct as you go along. Now, at the top of your page, record the amount of problems you did correctly. If you got 10 out of 10 correct, please record that on your page. Perhaps you only have 9 out of 10 correct. And if you didn't finish them all, just grade the ones that you did finish. So if you only finished 7 problems and only got 6 right out of 7, you would score yourself like that. This concludes page 3 of your packet.